You're watching another episode of Kelly's Outdoor Adventures, the RV Drifters. Today's video is going to be all about getting Nilly, our camper, ready for the fall-winter travels that we have planned. We've got a lot going on and we want to make sure that she's in tip-top shape, so we're going to be hauling her down the street, well, actually a couple hours from our house to Craig Smith to get them to do some general maintenance that needs done on it. It's just a little bit more work than I want to do. Right now, Willie is in, two years and 10 months on the road, and we've been doing maintenance pretty regular on her, but we're getting ready to hit the road and just want to make sure a lot of the stuff that needs done gets done professionally and correct. So, like I said, I pulled Nilly, the camper, down to Craig Smith down in Gallion, Ohio. It's where I got the toilets. If you remember my toilet issues, well, I bought the toilet from them, and so they had it in stock. So I had them do some more work for me. And so we arrived at Craig Smith RV in Gallion, Ohio, and so pulled it back and had them take a look at the brakes, and they found some interesting things. When we were on South Bass Island over at Putin Bay, pulling her down the streets, some of the side streets, the brakes kind of echoed off the trees a little bit, and we heard something that didn't sound right. Everything was working fine, but something didn't sound right. Well, Craig Smith got it apart and found out that there was some broken parts in there. And to begin with, we had him repack the bearings. We figured that Nilly has about 30,000 towed miles on her, and so we had him repack the bearings, and then we had him do an inspection on the brakes first. The inspection found that the brakes were worn down and needed to be replaced, as we suspected. But more importantly, the rear curbside axle assembly adjuster had fell off, broke, and was damaged within the hub. So they ended up installing both the left and right brake assemblies and then put it all back together and tested it. Everything tested out good. And I got the phone call that said, "Come on down and get it." And the total cost between repacking of the bearings and 4 new brake assemblies was $1,526. I think that was good considering I called and said I needed it done. I got it in 2 days. They had to order some parts, and I got the whole thing back in like 4 days from the time I dropped it off. And for an RV world at a dealership, I was happy. And of course, while I was there, I had to check out some of their new units.
They do the Asdale. We'll show you. This is the Avenue. Some differences between the Avenue and the Paradigm. Some color schemes. A few upgraded things. Most of them have the fireplace. Yeah, so that's twice as big as the average RV. Lots of storage in the kitchen area. Most of them have the little coffee bar here on the side. This one over here opens up to be a bed, so this sleeps quite a few people. Nice pantry there.
Yeah, it is. Really nice.
Mm-hmm. And then head up to the bedroom. You'll see, typical of a fifth wheel, there's a lot of room in the bedroom, giving you room to move around the bed.
I like this too. The whole,
yeah, that's a feature we're seeing in a lot of stuff. The sliding door.
Yep, I think that's nice.
It doesn't have to swing out. Doesn't have to be a pocket door, so it's easy.
The storage under the bed.
Some units have that, some don't. This one does.
Oh wow, that's got a lot of storage underneath there.
Of course, you can put any kind of topper or mattress on there that you want if you want to beef that up.
We just ordered our Brooklyn bedding.
Nice.
And it just arrived, and I literally threw it in the day before we brought it down here.
Got glass doors for that.
Oh, this is a nice big shower.
Mm-hmm. And then pocket door over here to close that.
Okay, we'll do the Matt's RV.
Yeah.
Porcelain.
Yep. You can still access the refrigerator side. Even with the slide in, you can still access the refrigerator side.
And the bathroom.
You can still access the bathroom. You can still lay on the bed. So they'll have the gross vehicle weight is 1,200 pounds. I don't know what the dry weight is, but gross vehicle weight's 1,200 pounds. I could get all that stuff inside if you need me to.
Survey says
33 feet long.
33 feet long.
Dry weight 9,800 pounds. We saw the wet weight was just under 11. Spec says freshwater capacity 98 gallons, gray water 106 gallons, black water 53 gallons. Does say available beds queen, so king is not an option. MSRP is $87,397. We've got it on sale for $54,398.
54,398.
And about a week after filming this, the salesman called me back and said that this particular unit had sold. And I should mention a little something unique about Craig Smith's. They're also a Mahindra tractor dealer as well, which is a little bit unusual, but they had quite a few Mahindra tractors in stock. And after we finished the RV Alliance tour, I headed north for home. And as I mentioned a little bit earlier in this video, we had a little bit of fun installing our new Brooklyn bedding mattress in the RV. So we filmed a little of it.
I just want to get the Brooklyn bedding. We got our new bed. Our new bed from Brooklyn Bedding, and we'll be setting it up. All right.
And I just wanted to say all the Brooklyn bedding commercials that we saw the RV couples have been installing the new Brooklyn beddings. They all showed and made these things very easy to unwrap and set up. We had a little bit of a tricky time with it. It was nothing hard or difficult. It was just, it didn't spring open quite the way we thought it would.
A little bit of weight to it. Okay. Pick it right up.
Remove that. Well, be careful. It's right here. I've got it clear down to you. Can you?
Feel like at some point just explode on him.
Yeah. Right, they don't. No, it did. It just exploded.
And then all of a sudden it did explode. It opened up and started to swell up before we had it completely unwrapped, and we were hustling a little bit. Got it all done, but it was it wasn't as pretty and picturesque as they showed them in some of the previous commercials.
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm afraid.
It's upside down.
Yeah, this is tough. Okay, you better hurry or we're not going to be able to move it. And you're end to end wrong, aren't you?
I don't know.
Stop. Let it lay down. Yes.
Okay, so we do need to turn. Okay, pull that your way. Oh, yeah.
Is that right? Well, I don't think so. Right here. Yes, right here. But now,
Okay.
we're gonna break the end of our bed. What are you doing?
Standing it up.
took longer to blow up.
Okay, so we gotta be careful here. 3, 2, 1. Yes!
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Is it comfortable?
a huge improvement. I think this is doable.
And voila, we have a finished made bed. It's about 10 inches higher. Well, about 5 or 6 inches higher than our previous mattress. Absolutely love it. Right after we did the install of our Brooklyn bedding
Mattress.
the YouTube video we watched shortly thereafter was an RV Miles podcast, and they did their Brooklyn bedding install commercial. And they had a few issues with their install too, and it made me smile to think they're not all exactly perfect when they spring open, but as long as you're ready.
All right, before this season we take off, we're going to make a few modifications. You know, we have our love seats here that we always watch the TV over here, but we had this fold-out couch bed that didn't get that much use.
So we took it out, and we're going to be putting in a desk where I can make my YouTube videos from here on out. So sometime in the future, I'm going to be doing another RV modifications video. Some things we've done to Nilly that just personalized it and made us happy. Hey, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Give us a comment. All this stuff helps our video grow. Helps our channel grow. Hey guys, have a good one. Cheers, everybody.